Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to download TikTok videos on PC, laptop, and Chromebook. So first things first, what we're going to do is go to this website of TikTok. And then from here, you can sign into your account by clicking this logged in button right here. Or you can just continue being a guest. Now let's go and find some videos. Now for example, here I want to download this one. What you're going to do is right click and then download the video. And then now it will save locally on your device. And then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.